These are the steps that Perplexity AI took just to research about Tesla Model 3 battery degradation. As you can see, it uses some keywords like Tesla Model 3 battery degradation, Tesla Model 3 battery life, etc. And then it reads a lot of websites that contains the information. But then later, I added this extra instruction or question. And basically, I just want to compare Tesla Model 3 battery degradation with Chevy Bolt, which is another electric car. And later, as you can see, it changed the keywords, and now it's reading content that talks about Tesla and Chevy Bolt. So this is actually a new feature in Perplexity Research, where it can now accept another details or another instruction while it is still doing the research, and the answer will be a mix of your initial instruction and also the new details that you just provided. As you can see, it's still giving the answer about Tesla Model 3 battery degradation, but later at the end, towards the end, it also gives me some answer about Chevy Bolt battery degradation. So let me show you how you can use this new feature while you are using the Perplexity Research feature. So let's navigate to perplexity.ai, and I'm going to switch to the research mode right here. And then here, I want to learn about what is GPT in AI. And I'm going to enable web, academic, and social. It is optional actually. And here, there's something here that you need to know. You can only give an extra detail while AI is still doing the research. If Perplexity has done the research, then you cannot add any more details. So you have to do it while it is still in research, and that means you have to do it very, very quickly. So after this, I'm going to switch to a different topic, or still the same topic, but will be a different focus, and I'll do it as quickly as I can. Okay, let me send a message, and I'm going to add an extra instruction. Sorry, I mean, what is quantization? Still related to AI, but now it talks about something that is completely different. As you can see, it does research about GPT, about GPT model architecture, etc. But then I added extra instruction that I want to know more about AI quantization. And as you can see, it changes the keyword GPT model quantization, neural network quantization, deep learning, etc. And it reads some more pages that contains the information about quantization. Now, it's usually a mix between the initial prompt or initial instruction with the new instruction. So you cannot just expect it will completely ignore the previous instruction or topic, because there's a good chance that it's not going to happen. So it's usually only work if you are using or adding details that are related to your initial question or topic. If you're trying to, let's say, for example, here I'm asking about AI, but if I'm switching to a different topic like food recipe, it is not going to work. AI is not going to give you the answer. It will just ignore that and will just focus on your initial question. So this is the answer. It still gives me the answer about GPT and AI, but there is also quantization. So it is not going to change the whole topic, but it will be able to add some extra context or extra information while it is still doing the research. So that's basically how you can do it. Again, it is only available in the research mode. It's not available in the regular search. So just keep that in mind when you're trying to use this new clarification feature in Perplexity. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.